Saving $10,000 in 1 year sounds tough, but it's possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step, with a real plan that works. $10,000 a year means $833 per month, $192 per week, $27.40 per day. Save $28 a day. That's your target. Track every dollar. Use an app or a spreadsheet. Look at the past 2 to 3 months. Sort expenses into rent, groceries, subscriptions, dining, gas, utilities. You'll find where money leaks. Cut what you don't need. Eat out less. Cancel unused subscriptions. Pause impulse spending. Even small cuts can free up $200 to $300 a month. Set automatic transfers to savings every payday. Move $200. Make savings invisible. No effort, no temptation. Cutting costs helps, but earning more works faster. Try Uber, DoorDash, freelancing, selling stuff online. A simple side hustle, $100 a week extra equals $5,200 a year. Save all unexpected money. Tax refund, bonus.